In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns. This is a quick guide designed to help you master the basics and get your campaigns off the ground efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Make sure you're logged into the correct site if you manage multiple accounts, as you don't want any mix-ups. Once you're in, try to familiarize yourself with the layout and the tools available to you, as this can be quite handy. After logging in, navigate to the main menu and look for the section labeled Email Campaigns. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated dashboard specifically for managing your email strategies. Here you'll find a well-organized setup checklist that functions as your own personal guide. This checklist is a great tool to ensure you're covering all necessary steps without missing a beat. From the checklist, you'll want to click on Create a Mailing List. This is where you'll name your list and start populating it with contacts. You have the choice of uploading a CSV file for bulk additions, or if you prefer, you can add them manually. Organizing your lists is crucial for targeted campaigns, so take your time to structure these properly right from the start. Once your mailing lists are ready, it's time to complete your sender details. This includes the name and email address you want your recipients to see in the From line of your emails. It's essential to ensure that these details can be easily recognized by your audience to establish trust and encourage higher open rates. And don't forget about the legal requirements. Also add a legal address to your account settings. This step is crucial for compliance with email marketing laws and ensures that your campaigns appear professional and trustworthy. It's worth noting that while you can build mailing lists and drafts without a subscription plan, you'll need to subscribe once you decide to send more than 3 initial campaigns. This is something to plan for as you develop your marketing strategy. To create your first campaign, click Create from your email campaigns dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign type that best suits your needs. Then select a template to start with, or if you're feeling creative, opt for a blank one. The next step is customization. Use the editor to tweak text, add stunning visuals, and rearrange sections to fit your unique style and message. Remember to also tackle the finer details. Add a compelling subject line and preview text to capture attention right from the inbox. Finally, choose your recipients from your brilliantly organized mailing lists or segments. When everything is double checked and ready, you can choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date, a handy feature for coordinating with different time zones or special events. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to launching effective Squarespace email campaigns. Happy emailing!